My favorite thing about these is no matter if it's spills, crumbs, grease, whatever, I take them out, wash them with a soap, water, dry them, and shove them right back in. I finally got tired of all of the mess that was gathering in the bottom and decided it was time for a better solution. These are made of fiberglass. They're double-sided. They're pretty thick. They're liners. They can either go under heating elements or on top of either like a toaster, an oven, a grill, up to 500 degrees, no issue. They are coated with an easy release, so you don't have to scrub. They're durable enough. They're not falling apart on me, no matter if I do have to scrub them a little bit, but I really don't. They really just do their job. Connect that mess before it burns on the appliance and just makes clean up so much easier. Unlike tinfoil, completely reusable. They're also completely adjustable. If you need to put them in a smaller air fryer, toaster oven, things of that nature, and they're too big, you can just take scissors and trim them. Or if you need them a larger width than you have, like on a grill or something, you can take them and put them side by side to take up a bigger circumference. No BPA, it does not affect the cooking time for me. So I just wash it clean, usually with just a sponge. If you want to put it in the dishwasher, totally fine too. Basically, if you're done scrubbing baked on grease, nonstick liners are the ticket. They're easy, they're clean, they're reusable, high heat safe, fit almost any oven or air fryer, whatever you need. They're a no-brainer.